So today I'm going to show you how to clear a front load bobbin system. If this machine was misthreaded or anything like that, it will lock the machine up. To unjam it, we're going to remove our bobbin case. So we're going to grab this lever. We're going to pull this out. These two wings, I'm going to push these over. We're going to pull this out, and you're going to get two pieces. You have the hook and your hook race. This opening always goes inside at 12 o'clock. If you see any debris along this area, you want to clear that out. Now to put it back, this is the hook driver, and this is my hook. So this is half a moon, this is the other half to your moon. Tilt your machine back, drop your hook in, create a full moon. 12 o'clock, this goes in, just like so. Lock this. We can put our bobbin case in my tension, that's correct. And then the finger goes up and fits into that slot right there like a puzzle piece, and click, and you're all set. To clear the hook on your Bernina, we're going to pull our bobbin case out, and there's a little spring here. This will release your hook race. This is what holds your hook in place, and then this is your actual hook right there. You'll see threads and tails and debris. Clean that, and also put a drop of oil on here. This is a half a moon, this is the other half of the moon. That's going to fall right into place. We're going to tip this forward and lock it forward. Put my bobbin case back in. You want that finger to match up there, and you're all set.